Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Vola not working on your settings. We will go to figure out this solution on your settings. You just click here on settings. Then you come here to this window here like you say, and you just go down and you click here on apps and you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Vola here, and this is window, and you can search for it here in app, and you click here on Vola and you come to next window here like you say app info, and you just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK and you go down, you click here on, on storage. Then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone or and turn on it, or go to Play Store and update your Vola app and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Vola. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.